Hi class, I wanted to go over the setup of the course, provide you with some more details, and then later in the future we'll have a Zoom meeting where you can ask me any questions, or you can easily always email me any questions that you might have because I'm here to assist. But I'm going to go through each of these tabs right here. If you click on the Start Here menu, this only will contain the syllabus right here. That's really the most important document that you'll need to utilize. Nothing else is needed in this page that's not included in the syllabus. The announcement page, I won't be posting a lot of announcements here. You won't see a lot of announcements, but you'll be seeing me post things in the course more or less. So nothing really in the announcement page you'll see. The weekly modules, this is where you'll see the setup of what we're covering each module. We have 11 modules. So if we look at the first module here, I'll show you how it's set up. You will notice I have an introduction of what kind of we're covering. Here's the learning objectives. This is an introduction. This is the only thing that will take you to the discussion board just for this time. Now you have the required learning resources, which I give you solution manuals to chapter 1 and 2 problems for your book. So that's very helpful exercise for you. Then I'll have you have the chapter 1 and 2 PowerPoints as well. I also give you what's due this week right here. So let's look at the syllabus now in terms of what we can expect. Now the book right here is what you need. Now I have two options for you that you could utilize. One would be getting the bundled book, which is where you buy the book and the Connect access. Another option would be buying the book used, so getting the 6th, 7th edition, and buying the Connect access separately. That would save you money and it would still be fine. So either of those will be fine. But if you buy the Connect access, you already have access to the textbook. How are you going to be graded? So you're going to have what's called Learn Smart homeworks. These will be critical for your success. You'll notice also that they will be due on Thursday to help prepare you for what is due in the course. So those will be critical. Those will be due Thursday. You have discussions. Those are another component of the course to help you be successful. We'll go over those requirements. Then you have quizzes, and then you have the final exam. So you really want to focus your efforts on the key things. These two things are very helpful, 50% of your grade to do well on. And then, so you have the Learn Smart, the Connect work, and the final. Connect, this Learn Smart work is done in Connect. Let me show you right here. If I click on this assignment tab, this is a key thing so you're not tricked. Here's your Learn Smart homework up here. Okay. Here's your quiz tab down here. So make sure that you're not just following this because you're going to miss the quizzes down here. For the Learn Smart is here to help you prepare. Okay. So let me see if I can do this. These you should earn 100% on, but they're due by Thursday. Okay. These will be critical, and it will be very helpful for your success with these Learn Smarts. Let me see the policies have. Okay. Now the discussion board is another thing that's here for your success. Click on the discussion board tab. On the discussion board, I'm grading you on 3 separate things. First, your initial post is due by Thursday. Initial post is due by Thursday. Your 2 peer responses are due by the end of the module. You need to have an APA formatted citation and reference. Here's how you can create it right here. If you click on this thing right here, very simple to create. Okay. You'll also be focusing on your content development of your initial post. So these are the key things. So let's see what do I need to do well in this course? First thing you need to do is this is critical. You have to complete the work by the due dates. So here's what you're going to look at. Module 1, you notice that you have to do your discussion by this Saturday. Okay? Then next week, you have initial post due by Thursday, peer responses due by Saturday. Learn Smart for chapters 1 and 2, that's 2 separate assignments, due by Thursday. Connect Work, which is quiz number 1, due by Saturday of the next week. This helps guide your efforts. If you have any, and the Connect Work I have set up where you get 2 attempts on the quizzes and multiple attempts on the Learn Smart to help you prepare for your efforts. Let me know if you have any additional questions as I look forward to your effort in the course.